Hi guys, Postman's bin. Hopefully this is some switches, micro switches, for the repair that I'm doing on the bulldozer. Oh gosh. They're a bit bigger than I had in mind, aren't they? I could feel that through the package. I thought they were too big, but I thought we'd better open them. Right, so it is exactly the type of switch that I want, but they are significantly bigger. 3-position, double pole, double throw, center off, I think is how it's fully described. Well, I think those will just be going in my spares box. I don't think, I mean, I can use it for the, I can use it, but it's bigger than the bulldozer, almost. All right, let's just adjust the camera a bit. That's what we want to replace, and that's what I've just bought on eBay. I think the reason I bought them without checking too much was it's the only pack I could actually see. I've no doubt if I go on AliExpress, I'll be able to find a better match, but that was on eBay, and it was the last pack. Yeah, I know they put adverts on there, and they put things on there saying last one, but yeah, I ordered that one, and it then came up and said out of stock, so it was genuinely the last one that they had. But it's significantly bigger. About 2 millimeters thicker, and yeah, more than double the length. Where it's supposed to go is just in there. Now, truth is, I could cut it and fit it in there, and it would work. We'd have to cut the bodywork around quite a bit, or we fit it up there. Because this one won't be going back to a charity shop anyway. There's too much too much wrong with it. Like the battery pack and that. I've got a lithium ion sitting in there at the moment. We'll have to have a think. Oh, because it would fit in the front with no trouble. Well, that's an option. And that plate goes in the front. But I could 3D print a suitable plate to mount that on and stick that in there. Oh, we might do that. Yeah, that's plan B, I suppose we could call it. We could 3D print a little rectangle based on that can sit in the front of. And we could at least get it working. Yep, we'll do that. There we are. Dual pole, dual throw, center off, standard slide switch. But I don't think there was anything in the description that actually showed you the size of it. Never mind. I've got some slide switches for other projects, and we will get that working with it anyway.
So thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Leave us a comment so I know how I'm doing. And somewhere up here there'll be some links to related playlists. Thanks again.